Narcine defines the word freedom in the sense of urban transportation. In fact, we came up with the term ninja scooter to describe how daring and agile it feels in city environments. Small personal vehicles are fun, cheap, easy to maintain, and use 60 times less energy than a car. So we asked nature for help, analyzed hundreds of possible solutions, and started building our first prototypes. Having studied the distinctive features of scooters, bicycles, and mopeds helped us shape a completely new concept, a true evolution in personal transportation. It's super easy to ride, there's no learning curve. Simply adjust the speed, push the throttle, and set off for the ride that suits your mood. Relaxed cruise or zipping around town. A word of warning though, Narcine is a true head turner, so make sure you can handle a few new friendships along the way. Our scooter is versatile. The compact size and clever folding mechanism mean that you don't have to leave it out on the street. Better still, the seat can be adjusted horizontally to fit people of any age and size. Narcine features fat, 13-inch tires and dual shock absorbers for a silky smooth ride. We've also taken care about safety by fitting solid front and rear brakes and powerful LEDs that boost your visibility. Most of all, we've been dreaming about one thing: prove that urban transportation can be cool, sustainable, and fun. Join us now. With your support, we're confident we can make this dream a reality.